So I want to make another YouTube video. It's called a fidget cube. And yeah, so this thing, I have to tell you something. The things are press. You can press the buttons and you can't spin it because mine's green. Everyone else's color and mine's green. And yeah, it's the coolest. And yeah, you cannot spin it. Okay. And woo! Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Subscribe if you're new. And turn on notification to be on notification squad, guys. Yo, and subscribe to my channel, because I want to hit 2,000 subscribers before 2019. Before 2020. And before 2020 is my 13th birthday. And yeah, subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up. Bye. Woo!